Good morning, everyone. Today I am here to deliver a speech on the topic of global warming. Global warming is the phenomenon of increasing the average temperature of the earth by the process of burning of fossil fuels like coal, wood, oil, and gases. The gases produced by burning of fossil fuels are known as greenhouse gases. These greenhouse gases include carbon dioxide, methane, carbon monoxide, nitrous oxide, hydrochlorofluorocarbon, and many more. These gases are very harmful for the environment and plays a very major role in the phenomenon of global warming. Now let's understand how the action of global warming happen. The radiation coming from the sun are very powerful. The earth absorbs some of the radiation and reflect back the rest of it. The reflected radiation are blocked by the greenhouse gases hanging in the top of the environment, and it result in the trapping of these radiation into the environment of the earth, that result in the increased temperature of the earth. Now due to this increment in the temperature of earth, there are many changes that happens here. Like first is fast melting of glaciers. Glaciers are melting fast both on mountains and in Antarctic. The Gangotri glacier is melting by 17 meter each year. It will reduce the water availability in the river during summer. Drinking water will also be scarce. Due to the fast melting of glaciers, the sea level will also be increased. That will be a threat to many of the countries of the world. India would also be affected because it has 7,000 kilometers of coastline area. So India should also focus on it. Next is due to intense heat, the frequency of rain increase that may result into the flash floods. Also, due to more floods, the agriculture sector would also be affected. So there may be the food scarcity in our country, and many diseases like malaria would also be multiplied. Global warming also affected the biodiversity because it may also result in the extinction of the many rare species of animal. Now what should be done? Every country should stop thinking and start taking action on cutting down the emission of greenhouse gases. They should find an alternative ways of fossil fuels for their energy. The technology of automobile engine, aircraft emission, and the thermal power plants should also be revived. The developing countries, including India and China, should be included in the post 2012 Kyoto Protocol. First concludes. The USA, who have not ratified the protocols, should also be encouraged to do the same. Now, as a conclusion, global warming is the very big scale problem. So it should be ratified on a global scale. Every country should take part in it. Every country should grow more and more trees and stop the deforestation. Also, we can focus on the electric vehicle instead of engine that use petrol and diesel as a fuel. We can also use solar power plants to use the solar energy. Also, we should stop the pollution and then the global warming can also be protected. Thank you.